Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to join someone on Roblox without being friends with them. So if you want to join someone on Roblox but you're not friends with them, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open the browser of your choice. You can also directly open the Roblox application. After opening the browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type www.roblox.com, press enter. You can see over here you're led to the official homepage of Roblox. All you have to do is click on the search bar right over here and search for the person's name. You can see over here several options will pop up. Make sure to choose the in people option. Now you'll be able to see the people with the name that you have just searched for. Now when you click on the profile of any person, you can see there is no option for joining them at the moment. You can see message option over here which is disabled. You can see add friend option and there is no option for joining them without being friends with them. But if you want to join someone without being friends with them, what you have to do is go back, check the status of the person, find the person who is online at the moment, simply click on the profile of that person. You can see here the profile is opened and here too you can see two options, message and add friend, but there is no option for joining. It might be because it is not available in your region. For that, you'll have to go to a browser, click on the search bar and type Chrome webstore.google.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official homepage of Chrome Web Store. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar right over here and search for row searcher, press enter. You can see over here row searcher has popped up. All you have to do is click on it. With this extension on your Chrome, you'll be able to join the person without being friend with them. All you have to do is click on add to Chrome option that you can see right over here. Click on add extension. You can see over here row searcher has been added to Chrome. So after this row searcher extension has been added to your Chrome, you'll be able to join someone without being friends with them. So that's it for today. That is how you join someone on Roblox without being friends with them. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.